What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you one amazing application called Postermywall, using which you can create amazing posters, videos and graphics for your small businesses to promote it on social media and other platforms without requiring any creative skills. Postermywall is a one-stop solution for content creation and distribution for small business owners, and here you can create stunning graphics and videos without requiring any artistic skills. This application provides more than 1 lakh templates using which you can easily create flyers, videos and social media posts. Now I am going to show you how to create amazing posters and videos to promote your business on social media and other platforms. Let's start. All you need to use Postermywall is your browser and visit Postermywall website. You can search it on Google or you can directly write www.postermywall.com. In the home page, we'll get browse template option where we'll get to see all the options provided like Halloween flyers, Thanksgiving, Christmas retail, event flyers and so on. So I will click on all templates where we will get more than 1,25,000 professionally designed templates, and I will select one of those to show you how to design a banner. In template section, you will get professionally designed templates for a variety of themes and sizes. No need to hire any expensive graphic designer to create your marketing content for your businesses. Here you will get thousands of templates that are suitable for your business, and they are super affordable. Social media images can be downloaded for free, and free downloads are also available for flyer printing sizes. These have a small watermark, but it is usable for most users for free. You can also browse these templates by their size, posters, flyers, social media graphics, digital signage, logos, menus, print banners, web browsers, certificates and so on. I have selected one superhero template to show you how to edit these posters in the photo editor. So this is my design loaded with the tool. So in the tool you can find various options to edit this particular poster like text, media, clip art and other options like to change color, to change the text size, to change the outline. So whatever option you want, all the options are available here. Suppose I want to change the color of my poster. Here I have changed it to blue. Now it is looking good. So red was also good, but blue is more like vibrant. So I will change the title. You can edit almost every kind of text that is there on the template. So I am editing the superhero with my channel name, that is Gadget Geeks. So it is a Gadget Geeks party now, so it's looking cool. So here you have some headings there, and you can entertainment presents or whatever Gadget Geek presents, you can edit it with the own font. So font also you can change as you like, but for this poster the font given is like appropriate. So in the bottom also you can change all the details if you want, but the only thing is in the free version you will get a watermark on this poster. If you purchase it or if you get a premium membership, you don't get any watermarks. So if you want to add your own photographs or media to this poster, you can add. Here I am adding my channel logo to this poster. So you can place the logo, you can place the media, you can place your picture on this poster. So here I am placing it. You can comfortably move your media or photo or picture to any place on this poster if it is looking good. So here you have option to edit to this picture. You can change its border lines, you can fill colors, you have filters here to change its texture or to change its color, and you have boundaries for this. So I will change the color to blue or something like that. This is just to show you. It's not looking nice, but this is just to show you how to use the options. You can change the brightness of that picture. So many options provided, and this is a very good option of the placement of the picture on the poster. So here you can see the different position wherein you can place the picture on the poster. So whichever place which is looking good, so that place you can locate it. Otherwise you can manually place this picture on your poster. So now I am saving this. To save, so you have to click save and download. So it will take you to the membership menu where you have to select. If you select as a free, then you will get a watermark that you can share on directly on Facebook or Twitter, or you can freely download with a watermark. Otherwise you can also purchase this. There is only minimal charges which this website charges you. So after paying that minimal charges, you can download it without watermark. Now we will create a video, because videos are highly used to promote and market your business online and on social media. Again, you have to browse through thousands of professionally designed video templates which are available here. So you have to go through all these video templates and select which video template is matching to your business subject. So that video template you can select and edit. All the professionally designed video templates looks attractive and amazing. I will select this video template because it suits my subject, that is a party theme. I will click on it. It takes time to load. You have to wait till the template is loaded. After the template is loaded, you click on the customize template. That will migrate you to the video editor. So video editor looks same as the photo editor that we have seen earlier. Here you'll get the same options we have seen before. So you can add text, you can add media, you can add background, you can add shapes, you can edit the text elements that are found on this template. I am changing the middle text element and I am changing it to Gadget Geeks Party. I am positioning it to the middle so that the alignments get correct. You can add photos, you can add media to this template. Now I am adding a photo that is the logo of my channel, Gadget Geeks. So same option you have to select photo and select the photo that you want to add in this template, and you have to click on add photo. You can even edit this photo with the different options provided in the toolbar. So you can change its background color, you can change its border. So here you can change its position to the different positions as provided here. After deciding the position, if it is not suitable, you can manually place the photo wherever you want. Now I am changing its background color, but it is not looking nice. But this is the options provided. This kind of options are provided to edit the photo as per your requirement. It is super easy to edit the video with the options provided. You need not be an expert to edit this video template. It is super easy. You can browse through all the options. If you don't want any option, you can deselect it and you can easily edit your video and you can easily add all the component as per your needs. The music option is also provided so that you can add a background track for your video. So I am done with the editing. Now I am clicking on save. That will redirect me to download option. So similar to the photo that we have edited earlier, you have two options now. You can buy it without a watermark, or if you want it free, you have to download it with a watermark. So I am downloading it free and I will show you how the video will look like. I had downloaded my video. Now I will play it and show you how my video looks like. So this is my Gadget Geeks Party video. It is looking so nice, but as I have downloaded it as free, it is coming with a watermark. So it is super affordable. You can purchase this video or you can have a premium subscription where you'll get extra discounts. So this is all about Postermywall application, using which you can create attractive posters, videos to promote your business on social media. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.